Hello guys and welcome to Python programming tutorials by Amul's Academy. And today in this tutorial we are discussing about a program. Here we are trying to find out the number of vowels in a sentence. Okay. So for that, in a Python file, I'll ask the user to enter a sentence. So first I'll take a variable called sentence. And I'll take input function to take input from the user. And this is the message. So here I'm not converting this input function to int because here we want a string input, right? That's why I'll just take input, because in Python 3 by default this input function will take input as string. And here we want string input, right? So next what I'll do is I'll convert the input to lowercase letter. If you want, you can convert it to uppercase letter also, because there are 5 vowels in English language, right? A, E, I, O, U. And we can write it in lowercase as well as uppercase. So while writing the program, we need to include lowercase as well as uppercase. So avoid that, what I will do is, first when we take input, I will convert it to lowercase letter. So then I can condition only for the lowercase vowels, right? So here I'll take a variable called string and I'll take sentence dot lower. This will convert the entered string to lowercase letter. So if you want, you can check that. If I print string here, so Control S, if I enter, okay, it contains both lowercase as well as uppercase letters. If I enter, here we can see it will convert that to lowercase letter. So next here, I'll take another variable called count and I'll initialize it to 0 because it will contain the number of vowels. So initially I'll take it as 0. So next here I'll take a list which will contain the vowels. A, E, I, O, U. Because I converted this sentence or input to lowercase letters, so we can take only these 5. No need of taking the uppercase letters. So now I'll take a for loop for char, it is the variable name, in string, because we took the input and we stored in that in the sentence variable. And in the next line we converted it to lowercase letter and that will be stored in this string variable. That's why here I took string. That is nothing but I need to go through each character of this string entered sentence. Okay. If condition char in list 1. This if condition will compare the each character with the elements of this list 1. If it matches to any one of it, then that means that is vowel, so I'll increment count by 1. Else I won't do anything. I'll come out of the for loop and I'll print number of vowels in given sentence is count. Okay. So now if we save this and run this, so I need to enter a sentence. So this will be the converted string. All the characters are converted to lowercase and it contains total 12 vowels. We'll check that. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Total 12 vowels are there in this sentence. So here this for loop will go through each character of entered sentence, and here this if condition will check whether that character is in list 1. If yes, then it will increment the count. So for example, here I'll take an example. I'll take the sentence as welcome. Okay. So first it will convert it to lowercase letter. So here we can see all the characters are in lowercase. Next it will print the string, count is 0, list 1 is this. Next here for char in string, so first char value will be W. so it will check whether W is in list 1. So no, so it won't execute this. It will again execute the for loop. Now char becomes E. Okay, so it will check whether E in list 1, yes it is there, right? So count will be incremented by 1. Okay, again it will go to the for loop, and now char value will be L. So it will check whether L is present in list 1. No, so it won't execute if body, it will go to the for loop. So in that way it will execute this program. So that's about this program, and this program can be written in different ways. Okay, so if you know any other ways, any shorter ways or better ways, then don't forget to comment below. So that's it for now guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will meet you in next class. Till then, take care.